In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer ownership of Google Business Profile. If you need to move a business profile to another Google account, the key thing to know is that you first need to invite the new account as an owner. This is the step that gives the other account the right level of access and starts the transfer process correctly. I'll walk you through exactly where to click so you can do this smoothly. Start by signing into the Google account that currently manages the business profile. Once you're logged in, go to your business profile. A simple way to find it is by searching for your business on Google while signed in, or by opening Google Business Profile directly. Make sure you're viewing the correct business before continuing, especially if you manage more than one location. From your business profile, look for the three-dot menu, sometimes labeled as More. Click that and then choose Business Profile Settings. This is where Google keeps the management and permissions options for the profile. Inside the settings area, click People and Access. This section shows everyone who currently has access to the business profile and what level of permission they have. If you ever need to double check who can manage the profile, this is the place to do it. Next, go to the top left and click Add. Google will then prompt you to enter the email address for the account that should receive ownership access. Type in the new account carefully to avoid sending the invitation to the wrong person. Since this is an ownership level role, it's especially important to confirm the email is correct before moving forward. After entering the new account, look for the access setting. Change that access level to owner. This is important because a lower permission level won't allow the ownership transfer to happen properly. Once owner is selected, click invite. At that point, the invitation will be sent to the new account. The new user will need to accept the invitation from their side before they can be recognized as an owner on the profile. If you don't see the changes right away, give it a moment and refresh the page. A helpful tip here is to keep the original account active until you've confirmed the new owner has access and can manage the profile successfully. That way, you avoid getting locked out or leaving the profile unmanaged. And that's how to begin transferring ownership of a Google Business Profile by inviting the new account as an owner.